Here we're going to configure HSRP or Hot Standby Router Protocol. The first requirements is use HSRP version 2. So, i-configure natin. So, enable conf then una muna is yung, yan, kung makikita nyo, dito, interface G01, interface G01, then standby version 2. Then next is ito, G02, interface G02. Then next is standby version 2. So next naman is sa router 2. So enable conf. Tingnan natin kung anong interface din nun. Which is same lang sila, G01. Interface G01. Then standby version 2. Then next is interface G02. And standby version 2. So yan, naset na natin yung first requirements, which is, ang sabi dito is use HSRP version 2. So next naman is use .1 as the virtual IP for each VLAN 10.10.10.1 and 10.20.20.1. So, una muna dito sa interface G01. So, pakita natin. Yan. Standby 10. IP is 10.10.10.1. So, next naman is dito tayo sa router 2, which is yung connected siya dito. Ayan, yung G02. Connected siya sa switch 1. So, interface G01 and G02. Tapos, standby 10 IP 10.10.10.1. So, yun. Bali, naset na natin yung una, which is yung 10.10.1. So, next naman is yung interface G02 ng router 1. So, interface G02, then standby 20, IP is 10.20.20.1, and yung interface ng G01, interface na G01, so interface G01 ng router 2 is standby 20, IP is 10.20.20.1. So, yun. Bali, naset na natin yung second requirements, which is ito. So, after natin siyang sinet kanina, yung dun sa may mga VLAN niya is, we're going to check naman if meron na talaga. So, SH standby. So, ayun. Dito sa router 1 natin, makikita nyo dito sa interface G01 niya, version 2. And yung sinet nating IP. And dito naman sa G02 is yung version 2 rin. Naset na rin. And virtual IP is 10.20.21. So next is we're going to check naman sa router 2. So yan, SH standby. So here is makikita nyo na rin. G01 version 2. Virtual IP address is 10.20.21, and here is version 2 10.20.20.1. So next na requirements is R1 is the active for VLAN 10, standby for VLAN 20. I-configure natin yung R1. conf interface interface G01 and standby 10 priority 110. So here is nakita nyo yung default priority niya is 110. So isa-set lang natin siya na mas mataas. Ito yan. And standby 10 prompt. So nung sinet naman natin yan is check natin 2sh standby. So preemption is enabled. Yan. So here is, makita nyo pa rin naman na active siya. So punta tayo doon sa router 2 natin. So 2sh standby ulit. So here is, sabi niya kanina, na R1 is the active for VLAN 10, standby for VLAN 20. Standby for VLAN 20. So next naman is, here, R2 is the active for VLAN 20 and standby for VLAN 10. So here naman, next is interface G01. So i-enable lang natin yung preemption niya. So standby 20 preempt. So check ulit natin USH standby. So as you can see here is naka-enable na yung preemption niya. And sabi kanina, so here is makita nyo, naka-enable na yung preemption niya. So sa R1 naman natin, isi-set lang natin yung interface G02 and next is standby 20. Yung priority niya is 90. So yan, so 2sh standby. So as you can see here, yung dun sa may priority niya is 90 kasi nga sinet natin siya kanina is 90. Then sa next naman sa sinabi niyang enable preemption, yung ginawa natin kanina siya is enable natin yung preemption niya. So dito is hindi naman na kailangan. So we're going to test na ngayon kung gumagana ba yung HSRP. So here, ang una muna is sa PC1. So ping naman natin 10.10.10.1 kung napiping niya. So yun, napiping niya. And next is try natin iping yung ito. Yung 15.0.0.1. So ping 15.0.0.1. So, ayun, napiping niya. So, tatry naman natin siyang i-trace route ngayon. So, trace route 15.0.0.1. So, as you can see here is 10.10.10.2 yung active, which is yung R1. So, i-try natin i-reload yung R1 if ang magpapakita dito na active is yung R2, which is R2 dapat kapag once na ni-reload na natin. So, try natin itong i-reload. So, and reload. So, yes. Enter lang. So, antayin lang natin. So, ayan. We're going to ping, hindi. We're going to trace route ulit. So, trace route. Dapat R2 yung magpapakita dito. Ayun. So, 10.10.10.3. So, ayun. Nung nag-trace route tayo is 10.10.10.3. So, mag-antay lang ulit tayo ng ng parang sabi mo 10 seconds, tapos try lang natin ulit siyang i-trace route, pero dapat ang magpapakita ulit na active dyan is yung router 1, which is yung 10.10.10.2. Kasi kumbaga parang sinalo lang niya yun nung parang hindi pa active yung router 1. And dapat yung gagana doon is yung router 2. Then kapag once na pwede na ulit yung router 1, so babalik na ulit siya doon. So try natin, trace route ulit. So dapat ang magpapakita dyan is 10.10.10.2. So wait lang natin. So ayun, as you can see, 10.10.10.2 yung nagpapakita. So next is try naman natin siya ngayon dito sa PC3, which is yung sa VLAN 20 naman. So una is ping lang natin yung 10.20.20.1. Ayun, so napiping niya naman. Then yung 15.0.0.1. So ayun, napiping niya. So next naman is multi-trace route naman tayo. So dito sa ginagawa ko is dito niya maipapakita yung eto, which is yung R1 is the active for VLAN 10, standby for VLAN 20. Yun na yung ginawa ko kanina. So dito naman sa R2, which is yung sa may PC3 naman tayo. So yung R2 is active for VLAN 20 and standby lang yung VLAN 10 niya. So mag-trace route tayo 15.0.0.1, which is dapat yung active dito is yung R2. So tignan natin. So ayun, yung R2 is 10.20.20.2. May kita nyo naman dito yung R2 is 10.20.20.2. And yung router 1 here is 10.10.10.2. So, next is, try naman natin siyang i-reload ngayon, yung R2. If ever na, kunwari, nagbuboot pa lang siya, kung masasalo ba siya ng router 1. So, next is, natin. So, reload. Yes. So, enter lang natin. So, i-wait lang natin. And after nyan is, i-trace route lang ulit natin siya. Then, dapat ang magpapakita doon, which is yung R1 dapat natin. So, trace route. So, ayun. Kung makikita nyo dito, yung 10.20.20.3. So, next naman is, antay lang ulit tayo ng 10 seconds and dapat is bumalik na siya sa 10.20.20.2. Kasi magiging active na dapat ulit yung router 2 natin. So, yun. Try na ulit natin. Dapat na magpapakita dyan is yung 10.20.20.2. So, yun. As you can see here, 10.20.20.2 na yung magpapakita. So, ganun lang yung HSRP natin. Here naman sa HSRP troubleshooting. So, sabi dito, there is one misconfiguration per router. So, here, may kita kayong error message na duplicate address. So, ano lang natin siya. Tanggalin natin siya para hindi siya lagi na ipapakita. So, ayun. And, titignan naman natin kung ano yung sinasabi niyang misconfiguration. So, SSH standby. So, here, wala siyang version 2. So, gawin lang natin siyang version 2. Config interface G01 and standby version 2. So, do SSH standby. Check natin. So, ayan, may kita nyo na siya. Version 2. So, next is sa router 2 naman tayo. Tanggalin na natin yung SSH. So, SSH standby para makita natin kung ano yung error na yung parang misconfiguration. So, here is preemption is disabled. So, configure lang natin siya. Conf face is 01. And standby 20. Preempt. So, do standby. Para makita na ulit na siya. So, ayun. Bali, preemption is enabled. So, yun lang yung sinasabi niyang misconfiguration per round.